Hello everyone! So today I'll be showing you how to make taco sauce. For this recipe you would need 5 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of Sriracha sauce. If you want it spicy you can add more. In a bowl you will mix all the ingredients together. You will add sour cream, mayonnaise, lime juice, and Sriracha sauce. I use this taco sauce in my fish tacos. To get the full recipe, check the icon above or the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.